Hi guys. Hi guys. Welcome back again to my YouTube channel. I've been away from this channel for like how many weeks now? Maybe 2 weeks. And it feels like it's already a month. Like I don't know. Anyways, welcome back to this channel. So today is Saturday and I have a couple of things to do. These days I don't just know, like this room is just scattered. You guys, I'm in that, like, I'm tired of the way this room looks. I'm actually changing the looks of this room. So in case you see a new look very soon, don't be alarmed. I'm still in my house, okay? Yeah, so for now I just want to arrange this room, and I'm going to be putting this decay's bed inside. Like, I'm going to be packing it, like bundling it, repackaging it, and keeping it away from this room because he doesn't sleep in it any longer. And yeah, you guys, I woke up to the most annoying news this morning, and it is that time of the month. Yeah, it is that time of the month, that girl time of the month. So I woke up to the news that Chadwick, our Black Panther, our almighty lead role in Black Panther, has has died. You guys, I started crying. I don't know. I was just crying in the sitting room. Like, immediately I saw it. Jesus. He was battling cancer for 4 years, and he was filming all those movies for us. We did not even know. We could not even tell that this man was going through something. Hey, you guys, I don't want to start sharing up again because, guy, this one touched me. Like, just that this life, like, even this cancer thing, this is the first time I'm hearing of this stage 3 colon cancer. Like, and I actually browsed about it, and they said you just have 40% chance of being cured, and if it gets to the next stage, that one is just 10% of being cured. Like, cancer is a deadly disease, but I know that he is resting well. I know that he's resting well because he really lived a life, like, under for 3 years of his, he lived well. And yeah, I just I don't want this video to be an emotional one, so I'm going to arrange this room, and I have a couple of things to still do today, so I'm taking you guys along with me. Yeah.
are heading out. Maybe I'm heading out to my sister's here. I want to go and get some things for DK and myself. So I'll be taking you guys along with me. Hey guys, so we just got back and let me show you guys just a few things that we got. So first of all, we have this Nutri Boom. I got 2 packs of it. I got this he loves this banana one and this one. So I got 2 of this, 1, 2. So that aside, and I got this Cerelac. The last time I bought it, he loved it. Like, I was not searching for it. I did not see it there. Immediately I was about to leave, I saw it on the counter, so I picked it. Yeah. So I saw this one. Looks like something that's going to be nice. Decided to get it for him. Let's just taste and see. Just taste and see. Then his milk. Then what else? Okay, I saw this Cerelac cereal. I decided to try it too for him. Then his diapers. He hardly wears diapers these days because he needs air in that place, so I just got one. Then some small chops. We have cake and juice, and that's that for what I want to show you guys. So anyways, I want to prepare catfish. You guys know that all my videos is to come with cooking, so yeah. So I'm going to be preparing catfish pepper soup with yam. You guys, this recipe I'm about to give you guys, you must go and check it out. Like, you just have to try it. You need to try it because since I made this food, since I made that combo, like every Saturday in this house we eat catfish pepper soup with yam. Like, there's a way I make it and I'm going to be showing you guys. Yeah, so once I get everything ready, I'll take you guys to the kitchen with me. Yeah, so let's go. So you guys, I already have in here my yam. So this is pepper, grounded pepper, and crayfish. This is tomatoes, fresh tomatoes and onions. This is chicken spice. You need to add enough spice because you'll be needing enough water for this pepper soup. You know, pepper soup is water, so yeah, you need it to be spicy. I'm using 4 cubes of Knorr seasoning cube and some salt. Then you add water just to make this yam softer. we have. This is what we have. And I can't wait to dive in. Okay, can you shift? Oh, yeah. So yeah. Hi guys. So today is Sunday and I'm heading out to the church for some, some things. So I just decided to show you guys my outfit. Yeah. Just, you know. Hey guys. So you guys, I am done with my hair. What do you guys think? Leave a comment in the comment section. Did I try? I just felt like, I don't know, there's this kind of strength that entered my body yesterday night. I started yesterday night and I finished this morning. I mean, I had this kink in my wardrobe for very long. It's been long. So yeah. What do you guys think? What do you guys think? What do you guys think? So yeah, that brings us to the end of this video. Okay, it's fine. So I'll see you guys in my next one. Thank you for watching. Bye guys. All right.